Hey everyone, in this video I want to show you how you can use ProfitWolf to find products that nobody else is selling, or at least that nobody else is considering. In order to do that, I just opened up a scan on Fnac.be, so that's a Belgian retailer. What we see here is that there's 104 products that were both on the site Fnac and Amazon. That's not bad, but then when we look at the other tab, the items not in Amazon, there's more than 1,000 products, almost 2,000 products. What this means is that there's 1,740 products that were on Fnac, but which barcode, EAN code, was not found on Amazon. Now, does this mean that all these items, none of them are on Amazon? No, because what happens is that products can have different barcodes. It happens. So, for example, this product may have a barcode on this website and a different barcode on Amazon. It shouldn't happen. Ideally, everything should be universal. It should be unique, but sometimes it happens. And that's the reason why a lot of these items here, they're actually being sold on Amazon, but under a different barcode. And most people, they're just going to look at the first tab, the matches, because that's the easiest way to find profitable products, the easiest and the fastest. But don't neglect this tab here, because you can really find very good products. For example, if we just start looking at the products here, you'll see that there's Playmobil. Now, we don't have the keeper graph, so we don't know if this is going to sell very well, but you have to trust your own experience. And by experience, you know that Playmobil is a product that sells very well. Now, I don't know if it's much cheaper on Amazon or not. You have to see that for yourself. The product that I actually wanted to look at was on the second page. It was this one. It caught my eye because I'm a fan of Dragon Ball. And that's what I mean by you have to use your own experience, because you're faced with products that you're an expert in and you know if they're going to sell or not. And I know that this kind of product sells really well, especially when there's a new movie or a new arc coming out. So let's open up this link. You see that you can buy it for $6.64 if you're a subscriber. Well, if you have an account with them. So $6.64, and now you just have to find the item on Amazon. So for that, I'll just open up Amazon. And again, this product was not found by ProfitWolf on Amazon because the barcode, the EAN code provided by Fnac, is probably different than the one on Amazon. So in order to find it, I'll just type the title. So this means random, so I'm not going to add it. Figurine Dragon Ball Z, and then I'll put the brand name, Bandai. That's, by the way, the official, quote-unquote official brand for these products. So you know it's going to be quality stuff. And then you have to try to find the product. So the max size is 10 centimeters, which means Vegito here is probably 10 centimeters, and then Go Trunks is probably smaller. So for example, you know that it's not this one because this one is 17 centimeters. So you just have to scroll down and try to find it. So it takes a little bit of time, but it can be really profitable. For example, here you see that this one is 9 centimeters and it looks a lot like these ones. So you see, for example, if you zoom in, you see the articulations of the elbow. They're really similar, or actually exactly the same as the ones from Vegito here. And even the stance the guy has is the same. Like, look at his fist. It's the same way. The way the neck is tilted is the same. So everything, and it's the same brand. It's Bandai. It's the same size. So everything about this figurine tells me that it's from the same model as this one. So here, basically, I have the proof that this product that costs $6.64 can sell on Amazon for $28.24. And especially when you look at the keeper graph, it's a really nice keeper graph because Amazon is not on it, the price is quite consistent. You see it's always above 30, 28. Right now it's selling for 28, but you have to add delivery fees. So there's 298 euros of delivery fee. So in the end, this product is going to be sold for more than 30 euros, and that's being shipped from Germany. So from Germany to France, you can sell this for 30. So if you just sell it in France to a French customer, then it's just going to cost you 30 euros. And you bought it for 6.64. So again, this is a great product because you can either do FBA with it and you're going to be making a lot of profit. So let's say you buy, I don't know, 10 units of this, but you can actually buy more because it's a relatively small product. It's not going to take a lot of space at home or at your prep center or whatever. So you can buy 50 units of this if they have 50 units, and then resell each of those units for 30 euros. Or if you want to sell it for less, you can. You don't have to sell it for 30. If you want to sell faster, you can sell it for 25 euros. You can do FBA. Let me just remind you what FBA means. It means that you buy the item from the site, you have it shipped to your home or to a prep center that then ships it to Amazon, and then Amazon is in charge of delivering your product to your customer. Or you can also dropship this item. So you can add it to your dropshipping queue on ProfitWolf, and then whenever there's a sale, whenever a customer buys it, then you just ship it from this website to Amazon. So again, that's not the point. I don't want to talk about dropshipping, but I just want to show you that you shouldn't underestimate this tab, because there's more than 1,000 products, and amongst them there's a lot of very good products that will sell very fast and that will make you a lot of money. So that was it, very short video, but I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.